In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a Visa gift card to Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Visa gift card, you will be able to purchase Robux or a gift card to add it to your balance. All that you have to do is visit the Roblox website, tap on the Robux icon, and then you can choose Buy Robux. Browse through the amount of Robux that you want to purchase and select it. In here, you will have the option to pick between a credit card, debit card, and other payment methods. If you want to use your Visa gift card, all you have to do is choose the appropriate option and include the details about the Visa gift card. As you can see, I am getting an error at the moment, but as long as you are able to select debit card, you will be able to include the credentials about the Visa gift card. So include the card number, expiration date, and the code at the back. You can also add additional information like contact and shipping address, but as long as you have the necessary information here, you will be able to use your Visa gift card to buy Robux. You also have the option to redeem a Roblox code that you can get with a gift card. So if you prefer, you can also buy a Roblox gift card with your Visa gift card. This will give you the same amount of Robux, and it might be easier to acquire depending on which region you are in. But as long as you either do this process online by selecting the debit or credit card as the payment method, or you purchase a Roblox gift card, you will be able to add the Visa gift card money as Robux into your balance. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a Visa gift card to Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.